Kia ora, a warm, skinny Fishbone greeting to you. Sometimes, after wearing the mask so long, you get tired. Tired of pretending, tired of performing, tired of trying to fit everywhere, and maybe once the mask finally slips away, the next thing the heart starts searching for somewhere it can belong with honesty. Sometimes you stand in a room full of people and still feel outside the circle, like everybody belongs except you. But maybe you ain't too much, yeah. And maybe you've just been around the wrong people. Maybe you ain't lost. Your spirit's just looking for somewhere honest. Because real people don't make you perform, don't make you pretend, don't make you shrink to fit in. Oh, real people make room for you naturally. That's the healing. That's the healing. Oh, that's the healing. Take away that mask, reveal who you are, the inner self, the real you. Go forward, go forward. Don't make you pretend, don't make you shrink to fit in. Yeah, real people make room for you naturally. That's the healing. And after a while, you start realizing belonging ain't always about fitting in. Sometimes it's about remembering who you were. Who you were before the world told you who to become. A big warm skinny Fishbone, welcome to you all. Life moves fast, and sometimes we drift from the people, from the stories, from the places that made us. Trying so hard to fit somewhere else. Sometimes we forget where our feet come from. And maybe you don't need to become somebody different. Yeah, maybe baby, you just need to remember who you already are. 'Cause real people, they come from real places. 'Cause real belonging don't start with pretending. It starts when you stop running from yourself. Running and running and running from yourself. No heto turanga wai wai, no heto munga, no heto iwi to awa, meto whānau. Stop running, stop running, stop running from yourself. Because real belonging don't stop with pretending. It starts when you stop running from yourself. That's the healing. And maybe once you remember who you are, the heart starts understanding. Starts understanding something else too. You were never meant to carry everything by yourself. You were never meant to carry everything by yourself. Skinny Fishbone here, healing through the words of Matthew. Some people carry everything alone. They've been doing it for such a long time, they forgot there's another way to live. Strong and staunch all the time, quiet all the time, holding everything inside. And maybe strength ain't carrying everything alone. Maybe strength is letting someone walk beside you. And maybe strength ain't carrying it all alone. And maybe strength is letting someone walk beside you. 'Cause real people ain't trying to fix you. Real people just wanna sit beside you and soften your spirit. That's the healing. That's the healing. Don't carry it alone. I just wanna sit by you and miri wairua. That's the healing. Maybe belonging isn't about becoming somebody else. Maybe it's finding the people, the places, in the moments where your spirit no longer feels like it has to hide, and slowly you start feeling a little bit more like yourself again. Skinny Fishbone, peace, love and harmony.